malfunction trip. What will happen? Spillage of sludge.
Spillage of sludge conveyor, it is the closed conveyor. No?
Ultimately, you are throwing from here, but it is not going. From hopper, it will spray.
The sludge, yes,
Yeah,
will flow through.
it will spray. So spillage of sludge from hopper. See, you have triple R.
Yeah.
You see, 1602 trip. Okay. Do you have any CCTV here? Any CCTV?
Yeah, they have a complete plant.
Yeah, so I will put CCTV also here.
The welcoming room.
You have CCTV. Okay. Okay, guys. So good. Thanks to.
No, hang on a second. I have a questions related. Go back to please PNIDs. I noticed that there is no service water line. I don't know. I mean, this is screw press that you're supplying. Am I right?
Yeah.
What types of sludge dewatering? Screw press, right? So I don't see any service water line here.
Not only that, we have at the top. At the left side, you will have solenoid valve. You can see it's down, yeah. Next one.
Service water that is related to with the polymer dosing.
It is polymer dosing, yeah.
No,
Correct. You need to have a service water line to wash the equipments or disc or whatever.
It's enough.
But
It's
not
very
yes, no.
important to wash the screws.
Ahmed, you may be having it, but you have not shown it. So let us put here. I will put in another section. Provision.